I broke into Super Saiyan 4! Super Saiyan 4! Super Saiyan 4! Super Saiyan 4! That was Super Saiyan 1. Try Super Saiyan 2!
Aaron, stop trying to use the scissors for that before you break something that you didn't need to break. Is it really that hard to get open?
Super Saiyan 4 is coming to the rescue. Oh, man.
Go Super Saiyan 5 on it.
Well, I can't go Super Saiyan 6 yet. Haven't achieved that level.
Yep.
Super Saiyan 5, I'd have to turn into a giant silver ape. No, I'd have to turn into a giant brown ape, and then slowly turn silver, and then turn back into a Super Saiyan 5. Pretty hard to keep you like that.
Okay, then go back to Super Saiyan.
Oh man, that's not a full moon.
How do you know?
If I try
There's a moon in that shower tonight.
I'm just gonna see if that's a full moon. I'm undergoing a transformation, but the whole transformation is going to be down here. Boom, I transformed. Super Saiyan 5. It's going to be a piece of cake. Let me get my Super Saiyan 5 step stool. Yes. See? Super Saiyan 5 works. Lift and peel. Super Saiyan 5 doesn't know how to read. He just knows how to go mad. Yeah, you're getting it now. Yeah. Okay. Let me step down and calm myself down. Back into Super Saiyan 1. Okay. Now, let's see. Do I know how to read? Yes, I do. Okay. Lift and peel. Look for the lifting thing on this thing. Okay. Lift and peel. Oh, I found one. Kame, boom, it lifted. Okay, Kame, boom. No, Kame. Okay. Time for a big bang Kamehameha. Rip. Yay! Time for me to grow larger with my Super Saiyan 5 powers. Okay. Now, time for the big spill. Pour. Yeah, pour.